So this is really cool. This is the new all-electric Volta demonstrator from Grand Design and Volta. And basically what they've done, they have an all-lithium battery setup that they swap out in the generator bay. Let me take a look over here and show you guys. It's really cool. So this is all the brains of the whole operation here. It's basically two 30 amp 120 volt legs. It gives you 240 volt operation. It can run one AC totally off the grid for one whole day. There's solar on the roof, and what they got here on this truck, they got a special 9,000 watt alternator. So you can keep your batteries all topped off. And I'm going to show you, they have a special connector. They call it the nitro connector back here in the back. And that basically, you got power and communications, and that talks to your battery bank and your inverters and all that, and keeps everything up and running. Let's jump up in here real quick. You know, it looks like your standard run-of-the-mill Momentum, but it's not. You know, like I said, it's all electric, and hopefully you'll be seeing this from Grand Design here in the future. But they even have the juice box right here. This is a electric vehicle charging station. So if you had, you know, say an electric side-by-side, like that one sitting right out there, you'd be able to have this up here in your toy hauler and recharge the batteries.
That's a nice big couch. Oh, we've been in this floor plan before, but
Yeah.
wow, look at that thing, the juice box.
The juice box? Yeah.
That's cool.
And it looks like there's another 50 amp plug down here.
No kidding.
Yeah.
There's your bunks. Find that funny. Little nightstands for the top bunks.
And they also have solar on the roof here.
This is neat. Look at all of that closet space.
Trying to make it easy. One button.
So here's the whole spec sheet. It's the 36 kilowatt Volta system. It's got two 3200 watt inverters, 240 volts. Everything's monitored with Bluetooth, plus 2200 watts of solar on the roof. This is what we were talking about before here with the 9,000 watt alternator. It's got a 58 volt DC connection. Now Volta brought along this all electric side-by-side, and they got that tow in the back, and they're able to recharge this straight from the rig. So the trailer alone has more power on board than this electric vehicle. It's really cool. Good, good. So I've heard a lot about this. This is the whole lithium setup, all electric.
Yep, this is a technology demonstrator of a totally badass Volta system integrated into towable.
Yep.
The intent for production is it would be an 18 kilowatt hour advanced lithium ion NMC graphite high energy dense technology. You'll see it up in the front nose that replaces a generator.
Cool.
This show unit's got 2,200 watts of solar on the roof. And then total has actually 36 kilowatt hours of energy on board.
That's awesome.
So it has like as much as a Chevy Volt. All to run air conditioning.
Oh yeah.
But the reality is you can run comfortably one air conditioner for almost a full day. You know, with the solar aiding it. Yep. You've got enough energy to run your refrigerator and all your convenience items minus the air conditioning for pretty much a week. If you run two ACs, you'll run through the setup in this one in about one night. So the ACs are really heavy, hungry, but you could charge it back up in a few hours.
When you're plugged in. Any idea what that would cost?
Costs are coming out this summer,
Okay.
and that's going to be Grand Design's structure. So
Gotcha.
the Grand Design team's here. You can,
It'll all be built in together as
yep, it'll be an advanced energy rig, and then you could, depending on what truck you want, you can option this separate, right? So it'll come with the truck and trailer. It'll be prepped to be able to have the nitro kit, but then if you want convert your tow vehicle to have that, you can have it put on as basically an electrical output accessory.
Gotcha. Now you guys thinking dealers, the RV dealer is going to be installing the kit on the truck, or
Yeah,
is this
it's
going
going to be pretty straightforward. It'd be more like, hey, I'm going to put an aftermarket turbocharger on,
Yeah.
or I'm putting an aftermarket whatever on. It'll be a kit like that that'll allow you to bolt it on.
Cool.
Okay.
Awesome. Thanks for your time, man.
You're welcome. It's nice
What's your
to
name
meet you.
again?
Jack Johnson.
Jack Johnson. Okay.